Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. Today, I'm going to be making a quick, short video. Just guys, let you know that I am going to be currently streaming gaming content on Twitch. I've had a Twitch for a while. I just never really promoted it on my channel. I have a link to it on the homepage of my channel, but not many of you have seen that. So in this video, I'm going to put the link to my Twitch in the description of this video, so you guys can find it really easily. It's just twitch.tv/LifeMadeEasy10. The reason I'm doing this and not streaming gaming to my current channel anymore is just because I don't think gaming has a lot to do with the theme of my channel, as I post mainly about technology and just tutorials and stuff like that. So I want to do this separately, and so it's not interfering with the content on my channel, so it all makes sense. So yeah, the link is in the description. Go follow me there. I'm gonna try to stream as much as I can. I mostly post Fortnite, as you know, if anyone's ever watched a Fortnite stream on my channel now. I have a couple Fortnite videos, and I just feel like that's not going with the main content that I produce. It's not matching up. It's kind of all over the place. So I'm gonna do gaming all on my Twitch channel right here. Put the link in the description. Go follow me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, and leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, see ya.